In this lesson, we're going to learn how to format a chart. So, on the Coffee Line tab, select your chart, then go to the Design tab. We're going to turn on a few things. If you select this plus box, called the Chart Elements box, a dialog box pops up, and there are a few checkboxes. We're going to check data labels, axis titles, and trend line. Turning on data labels allowed us to see the exact numbers that we pulled our data from, that we pulled our chart from. Turning on axis titles allowed us to select and name our different areas of the chart. So like this one, we're going to name sales in dollars. And this one, years since opening. And then when we click the trend line, we can see that the chart has a general increase over time. Then if we go over to the total line tab, we can do a few things here too. We're going to switch our chart style to make it look a bit better and give us some more information. So over in the chart styles group, we're going to select the QuickStyle Style 4. Now we can see exactly which year each part was pulled from, even though we can't see our data. Then we can change the color, switching to color 4 to better reflect our graph. And if we want to make the data shorter, we can do select data, and we don't want to use the data in 2014. So we're going to shorten the data to A7 to F7. Actually, we're going to switch to E8 to F8. And we're going to switch this to E, selecting OK, and 2014 is excluded. Then, switching to the line tab, we see this. We're going to make this look a bit different and better reflect what we need. We don't want to see the years. We want to see how each object is trending. In this chart, we don't want to see the trending objects. We want to see how they performed over the years. So we're going to select the chart, and we're going to go to the Design tab and select Switch Row or Column. Now we can tell how each individual object has fared over the years, rather than just telling what years certain things have done better. We're going to turn on data labels, and we can see that a lot of the data labels are merging, and we don't want that. So we're going to select this area and we're going to switch our maximum to try and fix this. We're going to increase the maximum to 3,000 to see if that does anything. And that seems to compress our graph to make it shorter. That doesn't work, so we're going to see if we can decrease it. Let's try 14,000, as our highest data point is 1,385. So 1,400 should work. It did stretch our graph up, but it didn't stretch it enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the data labels. And that's it for this lesson.